analysis in Usoil. So I'll show you the opportunity that I'm seeing in Usoil. So I broke it down last week. Usoil, we had a wonderful trade. So I said Usoil, we had this tumbling of price action based on like the pandemic and things. So we broke the structure here. So we see a big continuation to the upside as oil demand of oil started increasing and people start traveling. So then we saw this creation of high highs in the daily time frame. Structure is still being maintained in the upper time frame, like daily. So let me put my chart. So we're seeing this high, this low, this high, this high low. And when you look in the daily time frame, you see price went to the upside, create these big wicks. Then we're seeing kind of like price closing below this high. So we could see price consolidating within this zone here in the daily time frame, but we could see a continuation to the upside because structure is still being maintained. We only need price to break this 42 dollars to see a price continue to the upside. So what are we seeing in the daily? A big rejection, big liquidation, and we could see price at least retrace a little bit to these key liquidity levels around, like you see this week's area, week, and also week here before breakout. So this level here, the average of this week around here, we have to pay close attention to this area here because we had support, then we had rejection, then support, then went to the upside. So key area to watch. So we could see price consolidate here for a while. Then when you move to the 4 hour time frame, we see the same price action which we saw in the daily. We see this one is like another creation of high. So we see like this structure is broken, but technically, like when you look at this is just a reversal engulfing candle. So this is technically within this range in market, this consolidation. So the other thing when you look closely here, you see there was this break of this structure here in the H4 time frame. Then this was our entry. We went to the upside targets. Our target was here, so we had this wonderful trade. Then we see price just like reversing, and we could see a slight retracement to the downside, creating high low, high low, high. Then we need price at least come and retrace to at least 61.8 or at least 50% Fibonacci retracement, or it could come all the way to this liquidity loan zone in the daily, which I was talking about, the weeks, and weeks before moving to the upside. So this is a good area to have an eye on. Also, even here in the 50, because we're seeing not only are we seeing this accumulation phase before this big rally to the upside, and also when you break it down in the 1 hour time frame, we see this accumulation zone. So it means institution are adding buy position. Then we see this big surge to the upside. So we see price came here, tested, went to the upside, tested here. So it could create something like a double bottom before move to the upside. But if structure breaks here in the 1 hour time frame, so we could see price come at least to 78.6 before move to the upside. So within this area, this is a key area to watch for price action before to move to the upside. Or we could also see price move all the way to 39 before continuing to the upside. So right now the only confirmation we need is like either price come to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, 78, and this key liquidity level based on the daily before move to the upside. We need to see a lot of rejections and a strong momentum to the upside for confirmation to move to the upside. That's the key. But overall, if you see weakness, break of structure here, creation of higher lows, then low high, low low, then we could see price all the way come to downside because daily structure is super strong. We see that we could see price consolidating here for a while, but overall it shows like we have high momentum to the upside. We need a slight retracement. So for our time frame, so all we're looking good here. So based on this low to this high, we're seeing price currently is respecting the 0.5 Fibonacci. When you break it down to the 1 hour time frame, we actually need, let me break down to the 30. So let's say currently if price, you see like this high, low high. So if price breaks here, we need to see price break, retrace, then move to the upside because it's respecting this liquidity level here, this level, that level. So that's a key. It respect that level. So we could see, but my long opportunities have been looking like for somewhere around here. That's key to the upside targets. So anywhere from this zone, have an eye on. Then I'll put my stop loss below this previous low. Then I'll ride my wave all the way to the upside. So yeah, to my target, which is based on the to that level. So I hope you have a wonderful trading day. That's it.